Here's how I make my hidden resin-coated seashells. After washing and drying the seashells, I paint on a background color with acrylic paint and then paint on my design. To make my designs look sharper, I use an acrylic paint pen to outline them all. I use an acrylic paint pen to draw on details. I like to use teeny tiny paintbrushes for details, as well as these really cool dotting nail art tools from Amazon. I use the acrylic paint pens to add on more details, as well as sign the back of my art pieces. I paint a very thin layer of resin onto the seashells and let them cure in the sun for about 10 minutes, and I repeat the process onto the backside of the shells to make sure that they last a very long time. Here they are, completely cured, and they look fabulous, and now they're going to be hidden all around Sanibel Island. I'll be hiding these every single month in different designs, and if you find them, you get to keep them. Get the full project on my website, carolinsbloomingcreations.com.